Shalom, shalom, shalom. Bringing to you the morning news of the day. You guys, last night while we were sleeping, a lot of things were going on. In Mandalay, Iraq, and Iran, there are several earthquakes over 5 points. Okay, we had the first one is a 5.3. That was reported 7 hours ago, 23 kilometers deep in Mandalay, Iraq. You guys, I think bombs are flying and nobody's telling us. Okay. Then there was a 5.4 in Mandalay, Iraq. Okay. A 5.2. Also a 5.0 in Ricky James Ridge. And also a 5.5 in Mandalay, Iraq. In Mehran, Iran was a 5.4. So it's a lot of earthquakes in Iran and Iraq today. Also in Rick James Ridge. It started last night. It's crazy after we have a big earthquake and then all of a sudden, here we go. All right. We also have a new tropical cyclone, Cyclone Joyce. Volcano Nevado de Chilean. I want to say this is by Los Angeles, guys. Let me see. Okay. Yes. That's the avalanche. I think that's the mudslide. Fire. Where is it? That's so weird. I'm trying to see where it says this is at. So this is in Argentina, Chile, in Chile. Notice a lot of the countries got a lot of the same names. A lot of volcanoes are on watch. We're also going to talk about Cordova in the next video. In Guatemala, Fuego. The volcano is a warning there. It's very active. So we got a lot of different things that are going on. A lot of fires that were reported in Argentina. Okay. All about the same time. All right. So we're going through a lot of things all over the earth. The seas are roaring. The earthquakes are quaking. It's just going. I hope the news was a blessing to you.